So next project, it's going to be a beautiful wee Volkswagen Mk1 Clipper or a Cabriolet. This is actually a guy I used to work with called Robert, Glasgow Rob, as everyone knows him as, and he's got a wee business called Sneakers ER. And it's this beautiful green coloured one. I don't know the name of the colour yet, so still to find that out. It's looking pretty good. Needs a lot of work. Interior is pretty well, it's quite washed out looking. The mouse has been in there. This has been off the road for what, 8 years, 9 years, something like that. Yeah, but it looks pretty good. It's got a glass roof. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Engine's looking like it needs a bit of work. Don't know what's caused this corrosion, but it's went right the way down. You can see what's the alternator, water pump, thermostat. There's no water left. I've just ordered a water tester kit and an engine compression kit to check the compression before we start doing any serious work to it. And the electrics are pretty minimal, so that's pretty good. Underneath, I have no idea what underneath looks like. It could be absolutely rusted to anything, but no one until I'm going to check the engine first. And then we'll tackle the rest. Bit of rust over the back wheel arch, but generally it's not too bad. Underneath is definitely questionable. We have to jack it up. It definitely needs new control arms, but we'll see how that one goes. Just bought this water tank leak detector because there's no water in the engine, just to see if there's any leaks. That pressure's good.
Ah, that's okay.
No, so where on earth did that
No
leak come from then?
Yeah.
Overall, you're going to do, you're going to be blasting. maybe. Look at the state inside that.
It's not too bad.
That is rusty.
Trust me, Stuart, that doesn't look too bad.
Hey, you want me to shove it?
Aye, just take it back a bit.
Use it. Enough? Right, so that's the radiator out. Oh, hoses off.
Bits and pieces.
Bits and pieces. That's the carburetor. Would you say that carburetor was called? A what?
It's a twin choke.
A twin choke carburetor. Certainly can't do that. And then your daffy thing you can put it. Hey! One!
Now you can look inside that with the camera.
Yeah, I'll see if you can get other ones there. Hey. That was easy.
Aye. Can you be that easy?
Can you, I mean? That one's just coming straight out.
Yeah, something. Maybe pop the plug. Aye, he's popped the plug.
No, look, it's still there.
Yeah, it's the plug, Stuart.
Oh. Ah.
It's just the rot, that's what it means.
Hey. You maybe get that with pliers, you know?
No.
No?
No. You don't want to break it up. It's broken inside.
Oh well.
That wasn't bad. I was expecting to be worse than that.
3 out of 4.
Aye.
I think I'll just lift it out. What's that hose there? What's this one's connected to? That need to come out.
Yeah, you know what you...
Well, I can. It's stuck to that, to that.
Right, do that off then.
Rusted. Yeah. And then this one here, this tube here.
Okay, that's over there, right, that's fine.
So, got a fair bit done. Got the radiator out. Carburetor was taken out. Next thing will be the manifold, but one of the screws at the bottom snapped, so I need to find a way of getting that off before I can get the cylinder head off. Yep, so here's the carburetor. That will be getting a total refurb. Yeah, everything will need refurbed on that. Airbox, washers, water tank. Yeah, so that is pretty much it for this one, I think. Obviously jack the car up as well, but I'm afraid for this one that's all I can get done. See you in the next one.